We are a multinational company based in Turkey, in Hungary, Germany, and the United States, with global reach. And we are very delighted to be in this exhibition. And I would like to emphasize our investment in Hungary and our focus in Hungary with the cable harness and PCB production. We have a 50,000 square meter facility in Hungary with the very highest and advanced production capabilities and capacities, with a very experienced engineering and production team. So our main focus is PCB production with SMT methodology in Hungary, and also the cable harness production. We design and we produce from the very scratch until the very last phase of the production. And we distribute those products as well. I would like to say that as of this exhibition, we are very happy to promote and distribute other Turkish companies' very innovative products, which is one of the current focus of the companies as well. So these products you can see in the display. Those are the very strategic products of the company. I would like to say about some words about the data logger family, which is a very unique and very capable data logger product, and it can be used actually for every purpose, but the main focus again, the defense part, very durable, very multi-purpose, and it has shock resistance and also humidity resistance, which can be used for many purposes with the defense area. I would like to highlight that it has 10 years of battery life, which is very unique. It's a very low level of voltage using. And the other thing is it has storage capacity up to 3 million data log. Our other strategic product is actually two products. The one is the military high-density rectifier filter module, and the other one is the high-density DC-DC converter. All of those are our design. We have raw materials for that. With a very short leading time, we can produce it for every customer. Those products especially used in rockets, missiles, and this is the heart of the power system of the missiles. Our new business strategy is distributing Turkish innovative products, military, industrial, automotive, and other areas.